RSS on rape? Is it politics versus reality? Are our netas clueless on the reality of rape, or are they playing politics? Let's get to our guest. We have Meenakshi Lekhi trying to defend that statement by the RSS leader, and of course the statement made by her colleague in Madhya Pradesh. And Kiran Bedi also joins us, former IPS officer. We have in studio Kavita Krishnan, who's been at the forefront of all the protests after the gang rape incident in Delhi, and Karuna Nandi, who is working with Justice Verma and is a Supreme Court lawyer herself.
No, I'm not working with him. I'm just sending recommendations to the committee. I've been asked to.
Sure, yeah.
Like others.
And we'll just go across first to Meenakshi Lekhi. Meenakshi Lekhi, as a woman, what did you make of what the RSS chief said?
What did you make of, Sunitra? Because I've been listening to you. I think you made of completely different thing. You were outraged, and let me tell you, you were outraged because you are sitting with a preconceived mind. And you are sitting with a preconceived mind that RSS is bad, RSS is communal, and that is your mindset.
Not really.
More than what he said. What did he say? What did he say? He said that in India we give sanskars, and because of lack of sanskars all these things are happening. We celebrate Kanya Utsav, and this is what is happening in affluent families, should not be perpetuated. We need to respect women. This is what he said. What's wrong in it? What you and me are asking is the same thing, that we be respected for who we are. And if this comes from our cultural background, so be it.
No, I'm just talking about that bit where he says, this doesn't happen in Bharat.
Can you
doesn't happen in Bharat. Can you tell me what you think about that comment?
Yes, because Bharat, I will tell you what is the context of that comment is the cultural ethos of this country, which are completely contrary to the modern living in which we are commodifying women and especially human body. And that is the context of Bharat. And Bharat is a cultural context, not necessarily the rural-urban divide, which you think you are thinking about.
Okay, fine. That's
so
your point of view.
So it goes to more about your mindset.
Okay, that's your point of view. Kiran Bedi, you've been writing and protesting against that reaction by Mohan Bhagwat all day today. We've heard Meenakshi Lekhi. What do you have to say?
Well, I agree. It's important to know the entire statement. I am responding to only a part statement. I think that's important, and that part statement, as I understood, and as I was conveyed by the television, was that he said, Bharat mein utne rapes nahi hote hain jitne India mein hote hain. If that is it, I'm only responding to that. But if this is not the truth, then I think I have no business to respond. And if this is the truth, then my response was that I need to...
No, I was just saying that that bit of the statement is there, and it hasn't been denied by the RSS, is all I'm saying. So obviously what we are presenting.
Why should it be denied? Because the context is completely different, Sunitra. And this is how media translates the subject.
No, but this is not about context, it's about facts.
And this is your interpretation.
Is it correct,
and your
or not?
interpretation is an
incorrect interpretation. So Kiran Bedi, as a former police officer,
factually, even this is correct, that
is it factually correct or not?
hum manate hain.
No, Meenakshi, let me respond to just this part statement. Is that if this part statement is that Bharat, as it reports crimes, and India, as it reports crimes, is different, then I had only one reason, that why is Bharat different? And why is India in a way? So I, in my mind, would think Bharat is distinct from the metropolitans or the capitals of the city, and it's a little away from that. It's not fully urban as it is, semi-urban or rural. If that is a reference to the context, then I would say, I want to explain why, from a police angle, why are rape cases fewer than compared to the metros and the cities where you have a media gaze. Number one, the woman does not have family support. A woman who's raped doesn't have family support. Number two, she doesn't have medical support. She's not assured of police response. She's not happy with the delayed trials. She is distance away from looking at, going to the courts repeatedly. She's not assured that the accused against whom she's going to complain, he will be let out and would be...
Okay, Dr.
Only
Bedi,
that
so
basically, I'm explaining this point.
You're basically saying, you're giving reasons for why his figures may be correct. No, one second, Meenakshi Lekhi, there are other two guests over here. We'll just get to you. Sorry, I have to cut you off
can't-
because
you
we'll get their
can't- you
reactions as
can't.
well. And I just want to point out that according to the NCRB report, just factually, it's incorrect, because if you go by the NCRB report, it says very clearly that there are various small towns. In fact, Kollam, I was looking at, has rape ratio of 4.5 per 100,000, while Kolkata has 0.3. And I see both of you women as, well, activist and as a lawyer who's been fighting these cases, shaking your heads while both Kiran Bedi and Meenakshi Levy saw. Kavita Krishnan, why?
Just one sentence I want to say, that I am from Durg, Bhilai Nagar. You just showed the
Yes.
statistics there. I have been brought up there all, and I lived there all my childhood. And it was a terribly, terribly unsafe place. So obviously, your safety is not about whether you are in an urban place or not. And of course, the rapes of Dalit women, these are institutionalized. It's not just that rapes happen everywhere. Your so-called Indian culture that you're talking about, there are good things to it, but there are also some terribly bad things, like the caste system, which allows for institutionalized rapes of women who are seen to be of oppressed castes.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.